The risks associated with indoor air quality are well known. Occupant health, environmental impacts, and even business performance are impacted by the air we breathe.
The built environment generates nearly 50% of the global annual CO2 emissions. That's an overwhelming statistic, and it's very difficult to hide from, which is actually what's causing the problem.
As early as the 1940s, scientists began developing air pollution monitoring devices to measure ozone levels and other methods to predict the future attainment of clean air standards.
Historically, if we wanted to know the temperatures or humidities in a space over a period of time, we would have a chart recorder on the wall with some ink pens drawing lines on a piece of paper with that temperature and humidity. It was even harder to measure things like indoor air quality or VOCs. A lot of those measurements had to be taken with a static sample, basically a vacuum sucking air across media and collecting contaminants and then sending those to a lab to be analyzed.
Today, a critical component for worker safety and the ongoing sustainability of the building is to start monitoring and controlling indoor air quality during the construction phase.
Construction pollution management requires projects to protect indoor air quality during building construction and renovation through a combination of strategies, similar to or such as envelope protection, moisture and dust management, filter replacement, air flush, and the proper equipment selection, which is where Polygon's turnkey solution, if implemented, are instrumental in supporting LEED and WELL projects.
The CDC and National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health noted that particulate materials such as dust and fibers are likely to be produced during construction and renovation activities. Sources include drywall, plasters, concrete, soil, wood, masonry, flooring, roofing, and ductwork. These dusts are irritants that can exacerbate lung conditions such as asthma and chronic obstructive lung diseases. The concern is real, and healthy building certifying bodies like LEED and WELL incorporate IAQ standards into their frameworks. Sustainability is an opportunity for the built environment to protect the planet and its people. But that doesn't mean businesses need to take a loss.
It really allows us to give visibility to what is actually happening inside of a building during the construction phase and enhance our services, and allows us to open new doors to new services that we're trying to engage for our customers and for the market. Being a part of the sustainable movement means that you're a part of the triple bottom line, and the triple bottom line, people, planet, and profits.
Profitability is essential, and creating that balance between cost efficiency and sustainability is the key to unlocking the potential of environmental, social, and governance programs that will further sustainable building growth.
Corporations, owners, the construction community, they're all doing a fantastic job at looking this problem head on and doing something about it. Polygon's been in this industry for the last 20 years, providing indoor air quality products and services. We are prepared and well positioned to partner with these types of firms in tackling such a major problem.
Fortunately, sensing and communications technologies can help project managers, owners, and facility managers continuously monitor conditions and understand how they change over time. Deploying connected devices throughout a building empowers stakeholders to be proactive from construction throughout occupancy.
Healthy construction sites, healthy buildings means good indoor air quality, means monitoring process and air inside of facilities that give you a healthy environment for your employees.
ExactAire from Polygon uses long-range, low-power IoT communications to collect, transmit, and visualize data from various sensors. Standard sensors include indoor air quality, leak detection, and toxic gas. IoT's role in sensor monitoring to gather data on particulate matter, temperature, and humidity levels provides building managers with the critical information they need to take action when required. A Vaisala survey from 2021 indicated 60% of 4,000 people surveyed want more information on indoor air quality in public spaces. And with IoT solutions available, it's a critical time for businesses and building owners to invest in the present and future.
Polygon has a unique value proposition for our clients. A lot of times we are involved with the client more in a consultative role than we are saying, how many of these dehumidifiers or heaters do you need? One of the best examples I can give you is I was recently having a conversation with a client, and they shared with me their problem, which is $42 million worth of water losses on their various construction projects in a year. Their question was, what can we do to help them detect water flow and leaks in these structures? It was a nice conversation to have with this client because we can apply all of this technology to a site and give them a single pane of glass of that different data, which then becomes actionable information for them to control and reduce that risk.
Indoor climate conditions for critical environments such as data centers require precise control. Temperature and humidity level fluctuations cannot exist in these types of indoor environments without the potential risk of serious issues. Advanced IoT technology can make a difference. Through systems like ExactAire, construction sites, data centers, and mission-critical environments can receive 24-hour data on indoor air quality and potential water leaks.
Some of the challenges our clients face during the mission-critical or data center construction is a lack of having the real-time data and a system implemented that will actually allow them to take a proactive approach. By having Polygon's ExactAire IQ system on site, they can avoid the potential of leaks and condensation on electrical equipment, dust particulates, or particulate matter to collect on material or gear, which can cause a tremendous loss and a substantial cost to all the project stakeholders. It may also have an effect on the actual health and respiratory systems of those working on the site. Having the ability to also manage equipment runtimes by utilizing the Polygon Smart Controller not only provides the client the ability to address equipment that shuts down inadvertently, they have the ability to scale back the equipment runtime, which is a sustainable solution that supports the efforts to reduce carbon emissions on the site.
Improving the construction process through IoT solutions doesn't have to be complicated, and it can be more sustainable, healthy, and efficient. People, technology, and knowledge. Polygon.